Your Wake Up Women series. I'm Priyanka Bhatia from Women on Wealth, and today we have yet another special woman, a pranic healer, who had a backache, and that was her wake up moment to realize that she needs to take charge of her finances. So, Maya Viti, like she says, had a backache. She landed into Louise Hay work that all of us are pretty much familiar about, the work around healing the world pretty much. And she learned from Louise Hay that the lower back pain is a result of the insecurity of money that we feel within. She started healing that, and then she became a pranic healer, learned more about healing, and learned how energy, thoughts really bring about abundance and prosperity. And then she thought, let me now do some deep dive practical work now that I understand money at an energy level. So that is Maya Viti. Let me bring her in right away. So let me see if she's already here. Hi Achal, welcome. Everybody who's here, please start typing your presence. Maya, I can see you in. Could you send in the request to join? Okay, let's see. Everybody who's around, do acknowledge that you are here, ready to begin with us on helping women take charge. Hi Sonam, welcome. Hey Pooja. What a privilege to have all of you on this beautiful evening. Okay, Maya, I invited you to join in. Please come in. Yes, Sonam, you're right here. Hi, Ankita. Welcome. Okay, that's Maya. Hi, Maya. Could you
Hi.
niche kar do thoda sa camera so that we can see your face pretty well?
Yeah, one. Just a sec.
Yes, we all need to
Can
deal
you
with
see me
some
now?
technical details first.
Yeah.
Yes,
This is my first time. I have
I understand.
not been.
I completely understand. You don't even have to explain, Maya. I completely get it. थोड़ा सा और नीचे कर दो so that your face is little more clearer. See if you can do it. Can the phone
One sec.
see?
Sorry about this.
Guys, Maya has
Can you
arrived.
see me
She's
now?
going to share.
Can you see me now?
This looks better. At least I can see
Yeah.
your complete face. Okay, got that. Thank you so much, Maya, for coming in, sharing your time with us. And we are clear that this time none of us are ever getting back. So you must know that I completely value your contribution to this community, to your own self, to me, and everybody around. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Could you share a bit about yourself, please?
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Priyanka, for welcoming me to this session. I am from Thiruvananthapuram. It's the land of Sri Padmanabha Swami Temple, the richest temple in the world.
Right.
So I'm married. My husband is an IT professional. I've got two children, twins. They're 18-year-old, a boy and a girl. And I got two elder brothers. My mom stays with me. I lost my father in the year 2020.
Okay.
And professionally, I work for an IT consulting firm. It's called Cran Consulting Private Limited.
Okay.
I've been working with them for the past 20 years. It's a niche area. It works on a niche area in the government sector. And so we are more into public finance and administration. So these are subjects I learned on the job. It's a nice crowd. The nature of my job, the job environment, and we are in, and the my colleagues, of course, they make the, it's very interesting, and I enjoy my time in my office. I'm also a student of pranic healing. Very recently, in 2017, I heard for the first time about pranic healing, and I started learning about it. And I understood how energy, about energy and how our thoughts and beliefs, how they affect our life, how they affect our health, our finances, our relationships. And I was fascinated, and I learned the higher courses. I also organize some sessions in classes in Trivandrum. So basically, that's my background.
Got that. And I love how beautifully you put across your experience of the last 20 years, Maya. So warm welcome. And yes, IT professional, pranic healer. And I also know that you follow Louise Hay, whom I really follow. So I
I
love
understand.
Louise Hay and her work, and it's a blessing to the world. So could you start sharing your wake up moment? I know you had a bad backache. So could you
Yes,
begin your story
absolutely.
from there and how Louise Hay got introduced to your life and then chronic healing and then women on wealth, because like you say that you've manifested everything in your life. So go ahead.
Absolutely, absolutely. So I had a very happy childhood. My father, he was a wonderful person. He took care of us. We never had any feeling of dearth. But it was something that we never discussed. Money, as I told you before, it was nothing. No, because we didn't have any kind of needs which were not taken off. So
Right.
taken care of. So it was fine. And then I got married. My husband, he is very careful with his finance. He takes care of us very well. He saves, clears his debts. So there also, I didn't have that discussion as such. But personally, I was a little uncomfortable about, because I had no clue. I had no background. Like I told you, I used to skip all the finance sections. I used to never look at those papers. They were never. I couldn't understand stocks or mutual funds, and I just didn't. But then it was there, then a niggling feeling of insecurity. I don't know why, but that was there. And this, like I mentioned, a back pain, a severe back pain, and I loved Louise Hay. Actually, pranic healing me got me into Louise Hay, into a lot of books which I simply love. And there it was mentioned clearly that that insecurity you have is what is manifesting as backache. And then I did one of the higher courses in pranic healing, which is called Kriya Shakti, which is actually a course on manifestation. It's on abundance and prosperity, and they explain the concepts very beautifully about money, about your thoughts and beliefs, how your thoughts and beliefs. There's a subconscious guilt feeling in most people about having lots of money,
Right.
or they have negative talk, self-talk about it. Even people who the way they look at people who have money, or if they have themselves, somehow something, it's not good. So that kind of thoughts were there. Of course, it might have been there, but this course particularly gave me a little different perspective of money, how money as a beautiful source of energy can be used for the good of a lot of people. So there's a billionaire from Kerala called Yusuf Ali, who is actually the chairman and managing director of the Lulu market, and he is supposed to be a very great philanthropist. So that example was there. The person with money, he can do such a lot of great things. So money is a good thing. So that thought came, and then this thought of why I don't have much clarity of what I actually am worth. So this thought gave to me, and this, I told you, the course is about manifestation. So I had manifested quite a lot through these practices. So I put it very clearly in my book that I needed to learn about finance, how to manage finance, how to invest prudently, and all that. And Women on Wealth happened. It was a perfect manifestation, a visualization which had come true, and it was everything I wanted. I mean, it's unbelievable. I'm so glad I came here, and the community has been really great. I have been here only for a little while now, 2 months. I graduated this month, but what I have, at least the baby steps I've taken, is something I'm so clear that this is where I want to be and I want to learn, and that is how I landed in Women on Wealth
Got
right
that,
now.
Maya. Got that. Thank you so much. And for everybody who's listening and is not understanding what Maya is talking about, I wanna really put it across that my journey also began with a lower back pain. And yes,
Oh,
I also discovered with Louise Hay work. Louise Hay is a healer for the world. She's a blessing for the world, I would say. And there are many videos you can catch up on YouTube of Louise Hay if you still don't know about her. And yeah, I also cured my, she says it's dis-ease. So when you're
Yes,
not easy about something in life, emotionally, mentally, and then it begins to show up in your physical being, and that's how Maya and I manifested backaches, and then we
absolutely,
cured them.
absolutely.
So
Yes,
yeah, sometimes we don't hear our body, sometimes we don't hear our emotions, our mental well-being is getting impacted. So I think all of that has to be taken care of, like Maya was creating, that thoughts, your belief system around everything actually drives what you get in life. So if you think
absolutely.
money is evil, yes, all the experiences you're going to draw into your life are going to be money is evil. You will find some or the other experience that actually, kind of keep deepening
Confirm.
that thought for you. So that's what
Yes,
Maya is
absolutely.
talking about. I trust you all got some insights, and she's saying how she's moved from thinking that money is evil, from coming from a background where money was never discussed, to coming to a space where she said, okay, never taken charge, but never too late. Let's begin now.
Absolutely. That is
Well,
a
that's
point because I'm almost 50 and
yeah,
I see all of the young, beautiful, children who have started so early. I'm really heartening to see that everyone has started up so early talking about finances and savings and everything. And so it's very nice. And I have started telling my daughter also. So the day
wonderful.
one, you have to understand these concepts and start implementing them in your life too.
Absolutely, absolutely. Pooja is here saying, here I can connect. Even I was manifesting something to happen that could guide me to understand my finances. And then Women on Wealth happened. So thankful. Got that. What a beauty you guys are to this community. Okay, Maya, so now that you've manifested Women on Wealth in your life, how has life changed? Where are you now? Are you still not talking about finance? Go ahead.
No, no. In fact, I have talking a lot. I have informed all my colleagues, my family, my friends. I have, that's one of my nature. I don't know whether it's good or bad. That if I start benefits from something, I want to share. So
Right.
pranic healing classes also happen like that because I learned about it and I just wanted to announce to the world it's an amazing subject that everyone should learn.
Right.
Similarly, about women on wealth, I have been talking. I have been telling my friends and colleagues, yes, you should start learning and understanding. Some of them are lucky that they have had a background and they have made their plans. But
Right.
there are quite a lot of people who have this negative thoughts, negative talk, self-talk coming where, they say, I don't have money, I don't have, there is never enough. So all that, how it happens. And this here, when I joined, I saw, I mean, I was quite amazed at the structures, Priyanka, I have to say. The way you have structured it is amazing. I learned for the first time about net worth, about, everything, how much money comes and how it goes, and where you have touched upon values, you have touched upon what the family should know, what your finances structure is, how the family member should know, how you should start structuring all those things. Those are concepts, which kept making me, day by day, it was really amazing how this was structured. And the community, I have to mention, it is amazing. The women, they're so helpful.
Yeah.
They Hira and Sheetal, all of them, they're very supportive. They make sure that things move smoothly. It reminds me of another FB group that we have called Her Trivandrum. I mentioned it to you. We have
Right.
15,000 people, women, and where also this kind of support is there. And
Right.
I think most women will benefit from a course like this, where they are having some clarity of the finances and, of course, the thinking about the future, the retirement fund, and all that aspects. It's quite amazing. I have taken the baby steps. I have started learning, started investing. I opened a Demat account. I have taken the steps forward, but it's still baby steps. I'm sure I'm on my journey. Yes,
Yes,
and
and
my
it's a
thoughts have
very
changed.
long. Go ahead, Maya.
Absolutely, absolutely. No, my thoughts have changed quite a lot. Now I'm very. I look at everything. I'm able to analyze, and I do read all the financial pages now. I try to join up all the Women on Wealth live programs.
Yeah.
So yes, and I found it interesting. I'm finding it very interesting, and I'm learning a
Awesome.
lot.
Awesome, Maya. I'm so proud of you, Maya, for who you are.
Thank you.
Yeah, the background you come from, and then, to really make that switch into the healing space, curing your diseases, to coming to a point where you are learning about finances, like from not reading one
Absolutely.
line about finance in a newspaper to coming to a point that you are attending all the Women on Wealth lives, you're learning, you're understanding all the concepts from net worth to enough that you spoke about. Like you're doing it
Yes.
all, you're investing. I mean, I think it's a complete shift from
Yes,
where you
absolutely.
were, who you were, to who you are today.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
And I love how the community is structured. I attended the last community meet, and to be frank, I was very impressed because the team, how they worked on that very tough subject of cryptocurrency and could explain it in such simple words, and that a lot of us like Bitcoin and blockchain and everything, though I've heard even as part of my work, I am, hearing them and understanding, trying to understand. But the way they presented it was totally beautiful, and I love that community feel that we have.
Right.
Absolutely, Priyanka. I'm
Right.
quite happy.
I mean, Maya, we all want to just belong, right?
Yes,
And
absolutely.
if there's a community where we can just belong to, I think that's it. That's it.
Yeah, true, true.
Got that. Got that. Thank you for sharing. Guys, everybody who might be thinking, okay, what thoughts, what energy are these guys talking about? I wanna some examples Maya gave that, people would say that, I don't have enough, or I don't make enough, or I don't save. And the more you just keep repeating these thoughts, the more it will just keep coming. I mean, the more you resist, the more it persists. So the more you
Yes,
resist the financial situation you are in, um, it's going to persist. So yeah, if you are having all the thoughts which are negative and which don't lead you to prosperity, abundance, or reaching your financial goals, then you actually need to make that switch. And from my personal experience, I can tell you it's not easy. It's never
yeah, it is.
easy. Yeah. And it really requires you to build your consciousness. And like Louise Hay says, the more aware you become, there is more awareness to be achieved. So it's like never ending. The work on your own self is just never ending.
True, very
What do you
much.
have to say, Maya, on that? And everybody who's listening, please start typing what you're getting, what are you learning, where are you now with regard to your finances, and what do you think about money? I think that will be an important exercise today, because if Maya is a pranic healer, we could actually use that exercise and heal some part maybe today.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yes, yes. So
And
everybody,
money.
sure, go ahead, Maya. Please take over.
Yeah, I was just saying, money is also energy. So there is an attraction and repulsion to it. So
Right.
you can attract and repel just like you do anything else. It's with your thoughts and beliefs. That's what I've understood, what I have learned. And
Yeah.
what you teach, Priyanka, is something that I feel. My son, that's my son's opinion, that everyone should learn. It should become a life skill, and it should start being taught from schools onwards. How to manage finance, what is a budget, and all that. So,
Yeah.
what is being taught, I don't know how relevant it is, but these are things that all of us should understand and learn. That's what I've learned.
Yeah, absolutely, Maya. And if we don't teach these skills, like life skills, to children in school, Trust you me, nothing major is going to happen. Even I think it that way. Kaveri is saying, I have just started with the Money Gym program. Just filling in the future goals Excel sheet is an eye opener for myself.
Absolutely.
I'm learning about myself. Got that. That's brilliant. And isn't that goal sheet really something that shakes all of us right in the very beginning? We say, oh,
Exactly.
oh, what am I hit by? Vandani is saying, great sharing on how money is so intrinsically linked to our lives. Yeah. I mean, it's so intrinsic that, that the thoughts we have about it can really drive any physical condition. So yeah, look at how powerful we are, and what we can cause in our lives is how I would say.
Absolutely.
Rupal is saying, I used to always think I have lots and I'm sorted. But after the program, somehow I have come to such realizations that how come I did not think before? Got that. And Rupal, that's the, isn't that really the power of learning? When, I mean, you can sit in a la-la land, all of us can sit in a la-la land, and then when, we take up a course or we, kind of join a group of people who are thinking in different ways, and then it gives us very different perspectives to look life from. I think it's just a great learning. Okay, Slisha, you're saying, I'm in absolute need to explore the unexplored. At a junction where I stand alone and feel desperate to earn and accumulate wealth for myself and kids. Then we are your space. Jump in, right in. Okay, Urban Weddings is saying, money is energy. Allow it to flow. Start from abundance and not from scarcity. Beautiful, yes. Where is our attention going? Okay, Rack Race is saying, hey Priyanka, more than money, I get energy from you. You are the accelerator, and so are you. Each one of you give me so much energy, I can't tell you about it. Like, yeah, like I want to say, Maya, you are my power. Right? Every time I see you in the community, I feel proud. I feel, okay, there is this one woman who's going to stand up for the value of togetherness. Yeah. Klesha is saying, I had tried by hand at CFP. It's amazing, but could not complete the course due to personal crisis, but want to learn it and teach it to kids right from school. Go for it. Nothing stops you. Just go for it. Rupal is saying, these thoughts are making me restless. How do I feel good that I am making progress? You got to maybe use some affirmations like Louise Hay says. You could just say, hey, I am capable. I am moving forward. I am making financial progress. Anything. Maya, any of the affirmations that come to you right now?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah. So basically, what it is in pranic healing, the concept is of a cleansing first. So you have this disturbances in you. You do a thorough cleansing of, get rid of all the negativities, and then you fill in with positive energy through meditation, through affirmations. So that is how you make the change in you. So first is the thought of removing these negative thoughts, these negative self-talk that we have. You first remove all those energies and then fill it up with the positive thoughts and positive energy. There are some beautiful meditations I told you about, the twin heart meditation, which actually is, the concept is of blessing the world. Okay. And once you bless the world, the energies, it reciprocates, and you gather that the law of karma, right? What you do unto others, you get back. So that's how you start blessing them, and then you reap back the benefits of those blessings through that. So here I see a lot of parallel between my own belief systems, between Women on Wealth and pranic healing. It's all talking the same thing.
Yeah,
of
yeah.
Absolutely, it's absolutely. So it is that the Women of Wealth program actually makes other people get rich right? Other women, they're helping them, and that way the prosperity and abundance comes back to you also.
Oh,
So
yes,
that's the concept of
tremendously.
all. Absolutely. So the more you give, the more you get. As you sow, so you reap. So you keep giving as much as possible. So those are concepts that really caught me, and I can see the parallels. And you're practicing pranic healing, basically the concepts of pranic healing.
Yes,
So I
yes,
see that.
pretty much, Maya. सही पकड़े हैं बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल सही पकड़े हैं. Actually, that's so. But I just want to say this one thing. Sometimes, when we begin blessing the world, we do it for a couple of days, few days, and then immediately we want some returns, right? And that doesn't happen. So everybody who's listening and you've never tried different forms of healing, it's going to take time. Like when you sow the seed, the plant takes its time to come.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and you can't keep giving it galis or keep abusing and saying, oh, nothing is working. No, it all turns out, and you got to be patient, and then you got to affirm in a certain way. Well, our I would say that yes, we are one. Pranic Healing, Louise Hay, or us at Women on Wealth, we're all one. But the space from which we operate is very different, Maya, because ours is a very, very practical approach. Like it's really
Absolutely.
hands-on money.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Pranic Healing and Louise Hay, they bring in the thoughts and how you need to think, and how you need to behave, what you need to believe. Yeah, but all these disciplines put together can make you really, really wealthy.
Absolutely.
Lara is saying, I too am a single mom. I'm a qualified CA, but not been good with money. Okay, join in, Lara, then. We are your space. She's saying, I'm struck with fear that I may lose. Yes. Okay, Slisha, you're saying, please guide me on the process to start with videos and books. Bring it on. Sure, so please DM us. The videos are right here on our Instagram channel. You can watch all of them. For some of them, there's a free introduction that will lead to our Money Gym program. You're welcome to DM us and we will book your seat for that. Rupal is asking you a question. Maya, if you can, from your
Yeah.
pranic healing space, share, how do we cleanse the thoughts?
So basically, pranic healing is a course. It's basically courses, structured courses that you need to. It's all over the world. There are more than, it's available in more than 120 countries. There's a World Pranic Healing Foundation. You can approach any of the centers near your place. I'm sure you can just do a Google search. You will find plenty. And you can approach any of the centers and do some courses, the basic pranic healing course and then advanced. There are multiple levels and they teach you the simple principles. And Priyanka, actually, they are very, very practical principles, very practical practices, which you can use to manifest and use to, improve your relationships, improve your finances, improve your health. Very simple ways. It's simply amazing. And I practice it on a daily basis. And I really find it very helpful. So these are things you can approach and do. Just do a Google search on pranic healing centers near your place and you will find plenty. It's a well-established organization.
Got that. Thank you for that, Maya. Liba is saying, Maya, so lovely to meet you, Maya. You exude positivity, and there's a big heart for you from Liba.
Thank you so much.
She's saying, I'm also on the path of spirituality and believe in manifestation. I have just joined the Money Gym. I think I must have manifested you all into my life. Liba,
Wow.
trust you me? Yes. You manifested me and now just keep me there. Okay, just keep me there and keep me going and keep Maya and everybody right here. Got that. Thank you so much. What a heartwarming message that was. Hi Pooja, welcome. Got that. So what are your parting thoughts for all of us, Maya? Some of your parting thoughts with us.
I would request all who are here to please, join the community if you're not yet already on it. And you start understanding about your finances, how you can manage your finances better. And the fear complex goes, that fear of what, the unsurety, everything, just melts away. You learn the principles. It's like, Priyanka, that reminds me of that one, you give a man a fish, you feed him for a day, but you teach a man to fish and you're feeding him for a lifetime. That's the principle of Women on Wealth, where they only mentor you. They don't tell you what to do. So you have to take those decisions by yourself and manifest what everything that you want. So in your life, I'm wishing everyone all the best, and wishing Women on Wealth a lot of prosperity and abundance, and a lot of success.
Got that, Maya. Thank you so much. Loads and loads of love your way. Thank you for blessing us, and I'm sending them right back for you in
Thank
abundance.
you.
Loads of
Thank you so
blessings of financial abundance, prosperity, love, togetherness, and anything that you desire for yourself. May it all manifest in your
Thank you.
life right now, no later.
Thank you.
That's,
Thank you so much.
that's
So
my
be it.
blessing. Thank
So be
you.
it.
Thank you for coming in, sharing your time, and everybody who's listening, thank you for joining in today. You may have gotten some newer perspectives to use and let them soak in, and then see what you can do with them. Thank you so much, Maya, for coming in. Take charge, stay safe.
Thank you.
Bye-bye,
Thank you for
everyone,
having
and I'll
me.
see you again. Okay, Pooja is sending more love for you, Maya. She's saying loads of
Thank you so
love.
much.
Yes, send in more kisses. Awesome session. Pooja is saying, Manj is sending you hearts. Pooja is sending you hearts. Okay, a lot of love flowing into our community. Thank you so much, Rupal. Take charge. Stay safe, everyone. Loads of love. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.
Bye. Take care.